Everything flows. Everything has its origin. At Zhenglong, our full vegetable tanned leather is not merely an industrial product, but a profound dialogue with nature. By infusing botanical tannins into natural fibers, we let time bridge raw vitality and refined texture. Original crust, no finish. Its clean, skin-like hue is a blank canvas for time and the user. With remarkable sensitivity, it absorbs sunlight, records the patina of touch, and breathes with the world around it. It does not merely exist, it lives and evolves. We hold fast to the belief that as the world accelerates, we should cherish what is shaped by time. True heritage lies not in cold commodities, but in soulful creations filled with warmth and story. Zhenglong, crafting textures that endure as lifelong imprints of time.